Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube crypto channel, Allcoin Intel. Before we start, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. And don't forget to follow me on social media as well. So today in this video, we have a special meme token, the Pepe Ascension, one of the best meme tokens of the last month. All you have to do is follow me from the beginning to the end to understand everything about the meme token. See you soon after this intro. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube crypto channel. So today we have the final chance to buy below list price. We are talking about Pepe Ascension. As you can see, there are almost 17 hours left before the launch, with nearly 30 billion raised as 1 billion USD. Currently, one Pepe is equal to 0.003. Pepe now its own blockchain step into a golden era of payments where the adventurous Pepe has integrated the ultimate treasure, a revolutionary layer 2 blockchain. Pepe Ascension with Ethereum brings the fast transactions. Ascension with Ethereum brings fast transactions, bigger rears, and all the classic Pepe charm. Now we have rear structure 5%, 10%, and 15% available. I will show you how to buy this token at the end of the video. We also confirm listing on top exchanges MEXC Global, Uniswap, BankSwap, OKX, and 15 more exchanges in Taiwan and the US. That's a big thing. Let's look some updates over here. Welcome to the Pepe highlights, where we cover the last 2 weeks of building Pepe's features on the Ethereum layer 2. We have seen the Pepe pump, 2 lucky drawers, 0 cut on rug pulls, and profit bumps on Ethereum. About Pepe Ascension is not just a token but a full blockchain ecosystem, including the DEX, the bridge, stock in DeFi, and more. How to buy the token is pretty simple. Create your wallet free, select the token amount, buy and approve the transaction. You can also check the Pepe Ascension stake section over the official website. I'll put all the links under this video description. Here's the roadmap of Pepe Ascension, showing exciting developments ahead. From October 21, dual rewards have been introduced with Ethereum rears depending on price levels. The pre-sale is live, guys, on Etherscan. Some of the highest transactions of Pepe are already visible here. You can see right here. From October 31, dual rears have been introduced with Ethereum rears depending on the price levels. It's about 5,000, 5% Ethereum. If the Ethereum is below 500, 10% on for the Pepe. You can check, guys, to the top right where it has the 3 trips. Just click on it and you can go ahead and clicking on staking, and it will take you directly to this part of their website where it is talking about their stocking. As you can see here, the annual rate of rewards will be 150%. So a simple stake can 2.5x tokens in a year, guys, and when combined with price growth, the upside multiple dramatically. So October 31 first marks the more than just a listing, guys. It's the beginning of Pepe Ascension's PEAP token rise. So go ahead and check them out. Buying is easy, changing your language on the site if needed. I'm preferring English. Then connect your wallet. I choose MetaMask. There you can unlock your wallet, connect, select tokens. Select tokens. I choose Ethereum and choose the amount you want to invest. Confirm and done. Choose the amount you want to invest. I choose 15%, and you have to go click on confirm. The project has gained already huge attention already, with nearly with nearly 10,000 followers on Twitter, X, and after rolling is regularly. Pepe will go live on top exchanges by October 31, so don't miss out. I really advise you not to lose this chance because Pepe Essentials is shaping up to be the one of the biggest meme tokens ever, and you can join their Telegram channel, creating content on YouTube and TikTok, and above all the community stays active and constantly updated. Thousands of people around the world already spreading the word and fueling the hype on Twitter and Telegram. Influencers and traders everywhere are picking up this project, turning beef into a global trend. The Pepe Ascension is just launching, it's leading the charge with its powerful tokenization, zero launchpad, massive rewards, explosive price potential, and an unstoppable community. This project is shaping up, explosive. October 31st, the day that could change the game forever. The only question is, will you be a part of it or not? Their social links I'll put in my description, and you can find discussion about Pepe all across the crypto community, and you can also join their Twitter and Telegram. That's all, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you like the project and this breakdown. I'll put all the links in the description below. See you soon and goodbye.